My name is Subbu Rama, and I'm the founder and CEO of Bitfusion. And what we do is we basically build software to virtualize GPUs and other heterogeneous compute systems in data centers to increase performance of applications or to reduce costs of running applications in the data center. It's primarily to share my views about, as actually data is exploding, one of the major challenges is actually compute also explodes, the need for compute explodes. So it's actually pretty exciting to, kind of share the views and, kind of see that how actually people were having similar views as well. Just, relate with people was great, very exciting. The reason data I think is cool and exciting is because the best way to actually drive insights is actually through data, through past history, past experiences. And the reason it's actually becoming cool today is because right now you actually have computational capability to process the data, which was not there 15 years ago. So I think that's why data is becoming cool, and accessibility of data is also becoming very interesting. Like normal people can actually can have access and do cool things with it. One of the primary things, there are so many different ways to process data. So for example, the known way is essentially using CPUs, right? The next known way is basically using GPUs now, because it's becoming popular. I was really surprised that people did not know about a lot of other processing elements that are out there. There are like visual computing units, there are there are FPGAs, there are other chips, special chips like the chips to do certain deep learning things, the chips to do automata or pattern matching. I think that was one thing I would actually encourage people is to basically look at various compute options, because now when you look at various compute options, maybe you can actually apply the right tool for the right job. So that's what I would actually I think experience and practice. I think I don't think there's there's any magic thing. It's not something where you go to school and basically try to learn to be a data scientist and become a data scientist. You can't become a great data scientist overnight. I think it takes time, patience, and years of experience. So patience is key.